Hello, Konstantin here. At today's lesson we will take a look at audio tag. It is used to include audio files inside your web page without using any JavaScript libraries. Usage of audio tag is very similar to video tag, so let's dive into the code. Let's write an audio tag. The main attribute here is src, as in video tag, and let's point to mp3 audio file which I prepared. So let's write file example, and let's add controls attribute to allow user to control the playback, and let's see how it's look on the browser. Alright, here is our audio file with controls, and we can play it. Alright, everything is working. And as a video tag, audio tag also have a lot of different attributes, and let's check just a couple of them. It's also have autoplay attribute, and if we'll save, browser was refreshed automatically and audio just started playing. Alright, and let's check muted attribute, and then by default audio will be muted, and as you see it is now playing, but it is in mute, and let's unmute it. Alright, different browsers could read different formats of audio, so you can define different formats to serve your audio file to different browsers, and you can make it like this: audio controls, and here you can use nested source tag, and for example you can place files in different formats. Here I have only mp3, but for example you can use this OGG format, or if someone have an old outdated browser and it is not supporting audio tag, this text will be shown that your browser is not supporting audio element. Alright, that's it about audio tag. Check the description, I will place a link for more resources on that. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and happy learning!